Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will see how to create multiple addresses or bulk addresses on the FortiGate firewall. So basically, sometime happens you receive thousand of IP addresses or more than that, and you have to create all the IP addresses in the FortiGate firewall. Okay, but if you are going to create one by one, it is going to take too much time for you. Okay, so you need some type of script. Okay, so we'll see here like how to make a script. Okay, I'm not you know I'm going to use only two software for making this script, and it's not very difficult. Okay, you just need Excel and Sublime tool. Okay, I'll show you what are those tools. Excel, Microsoft Excel, you already know. What Sublime, if you don't know, I'll just show you. Okay, so first of all, you need to know how to create IP address through the CLI. Then only you would understand, how it is getting created through script. Okay. So if you open the CLI, okay. So first we have to go to the config firewall address. So now we are in address. So if you click here, show, you can see all the IP addresses. Okay. Now if you type, okay, suppose if you want to create new IP address, so edit IP address name, set subnet, and then you type the IP address 32 and now just check if it is created. See, this IP is created. Okay, we just created from the CLI. Again, if you have to create, you have to type same command config firewall address. So now you are in address mode and edit IP. Just mention the name. Now you have to mention subnet details. So okay, one IP is created. If you put next here, okay, you can create new IP address. New entries edit. New IP address is created. Now put and if you press and, you are out of this address mode. Okay, out of firewall address configuration mode. So now you know the command. Okay, first we have to give this, and you have to type this command, then set subnet next, and then you can type next IP address and so on. And in the end of the IP address, you have to put and. Okay, so and if you see here, both the IP is created. See. So now let's prepare the Excel sheet. So what I'm going to do, suppose I'm having some list of IP address. Okay, these are the blacklisted IP address which I have to blacklist on the FortiGate firewall. So suppose this is the IP address list I'm having. See, there are a lot of way to create a script. Okay, you might get more easier way also. Okay, but this is easy for me. Okay, it doesn't take much time. Only first time when you are preparing the script, it is gonna take time. After that, it will not take time. Okay, so now type edit. Okay, here you can put IP address like that and set subnet. This section is for subnet detail, and again here next. So if you go to here, config firewall address show, so edit, uh, let's check the edit, set subnet. You have to okay, take, type same as it is only, okay, here. Set subnet and next. Now I'll be copying this IP address here, okay, and so insert, put IP address here. You can put IP address here as well. Also for this subnet mask. So this is /32 only. So I'm going to put /30. You can just verify the IP address if it is the /32 IP address only. Okay, and correct IP address. So if you see here, this is not the correct IPv4. So I'm going to delete this. So now you can just copy paste here. So now I'm going to use concatenate formula. So through this you can combine ev every row. So comma, then select D6 again, comma, select IP address again, comma, comma. Now select this subnet mask, comma, next, comma. Now close this. Okay. Now press enter. So if you see, uh, it is still not in proper format. It means there is no space. Like after edit, we need space, and IP address we need to put in other line. Uh, so name will be in same line, but set subnet will be in other line. Also next will be in other line. Okay. So first provide space here. So for space we can do one thing. Just put comma, and like this we can give space. So if you see here, now after edit there is one space. Same will do here after this name, in between set and this IP address. So this is E. So after E, double colon, like this. So set subnet. Now again we'll have to give uh, in between IP address and subnet mask G and H here. Now in between subnet mask and next, okay, H and I, like this you can give space in concatenate formula. Now you can just drag this formula till your last IP. Now if you see here, your IP address means kind of script is created, okay, but still you have to, a name should be in one line, set subnet and next in should be another line. So how would you do that? I'm just going to copy this, and there is one tool called Sublime Text. So I'm going to delete everything from here. So just paste it. Now what I'll do, I'll press Control F. Okay, so Control plus F. So when you press Control plus F, or if you click, you can if you click on Find, select Find option. Okay, so like this, go to the Find and Find. So here you will get this window. So just mention the next first. Okay, so if you click on next here and find all, okay, you can see next is selected for all the rows. So now just use your left arrow like this and press enter. So next is in other line. Now again go to the find, control F, set subnet, find all. So now this is in next line. If you see now this seems to be correct format. Okay, edit, and this is the name of IP address. This is the subnet. This is the next. Okay, and before first IP address, what we have to type here? Config firewall address. Because without this command we cannot go to into the configuration address mode. Okay, and in the last we have to type and. Okay, now copy this in notepad and save this file. Okay, I'm going to save sub blacklist address, kind of any name I can give script. Okay, so in download folder I'm going to save it. Okay, so you can do okay, two things here, like if you want you can just open your CLI and you can paste your script like this. Okay, and your address is created. So if you uh, copy this one, okay, and go to the address, so it's created. Okay, like this you can create, you can just open CLI and paste everything. Okay, other option is just go to your user ID here and configuration and script, click on run script, browse blacklist, go to the download folder, and okay, so if you see here it is showing success. Okay, if it is showing failure, it means your script didn't work. So now if you go to the addresses, okay, so if you search like first IP, it's there, last IP, it's there. Okay, correct IP address and subnet mask. So that is how you can create multiple addresses here. And suppose if you want to put these IP address in a group, okay, so how can you do that? So same like first, you should know like how to do it from CLI. Okay, so config firewall address group, show. So if you see here, we have this two firewall group. So I'm going to create one more like edit blacklisted IPs. This is created set member, and I can just copy name. Like you have to put your IP address name here. Okay, object name, whatever you have created, and it's done. So if you go to in this CLI addresses, just see there is one blacklisted group, and now this IP is part of this group. Okay, and same if you want to make it a script, just go to the your Excel sheet. You just copy all the name, or we can do it from here as well. Okay, so just find IP underscore find all. Okay, leave it because some IP has 2 digit in the last, some is 3 digits. So better than this, we can just copy the IP addresses. Okay, put IP address in other sheet. Control F, replace. So like this, we can create same concatenate text one, text two, and close this. Okay, now drag and drop. Now what you have to do, just go to your notepad, copy all the names, or here find IP, find all, and give one space here. Okay, now you should know the group name. So first config firewall address group. So now add it blacklisted IPs. Say it's a case sensitive, so ensure that you are putting the correct group. See blacklisted IPs. This one. Now set member. Now put all the object name here. In the last, you can put and. Let's try if it is working. Okay, seems to be working, but let's check the group. See, all IP address you can see here. See, all the address which we have created, it is showing here. And if you want, you can put this command on the same script, like we have created one script here. Okay, so after and you can put config firewall address group, edit blacklist, and save it. So now I'm going to remove everything from firewall, and we'll see if it is working. I have removed that blacklisted group. I'm going to remove all the IP address as well. See, whatever we had created by script, I'm going to remove everything. So now there's no IP address. we can remove this as well, but it was not created by script. Okay. So now you don't see any group here. Okay, blacklisted group. Not able to see any IP addresses. Just go to the admin configuration script, run, browse. So it is showing success. Let's check the IP address. So IP address is showing correctly. Okay, /32. Now if you see blacklisted IPs, so this group is also created and all the IP addresses are part of this group. Now you can just put this group in any rule. Okay, if you are creating one blacklisted group, you can just put this group in blacklisted rule. Okay, and I would suggest like in one group you put only 250 to 300 IP address. No, not more than that. Okay, or you can check with your vendor as well if in latest version if it is supporting more. Okay, thanks guys, thank you very much.